Hi everyone and welcome to CookingBush. Today I show you how I cook orange jam. It's the perfect jam for breakfast, for waffles, for sandwiches, and my kids really like this jam. And I think it smells like a Christmas. Let's do it! We'll need the oranges and half a lemon. Gently remove only the orange and yellow parts, zest, or your jam will be bitter. Then squeeze the juice out of our oranges and lemon. My children always help me. Take away all the orange pips. Separate the pulp from the peel and blend it. Mixed pulp, zest, and juice. We need to weigh juice and pulp and add water. Put it on a stove and boil for 30 minutes. Wait again and add the same amount of sugar. Then it returning on the stove, build to a boil, reduce the temperature and boil for an hour and a half. Pour the jam into jars and leave to cool. When it cooled down, close the lid and put in the cold place